Feliz Cumpleaños, Cerote. Hello, I'm Miku, and today's special for my friend Angel Gomez. We were going to make another cocktail for Halloween, the Devil Martini. Anyway, the Devils is with us, right? And the Devils is with angels. Anyway, I hope you are not coming from the sky and the heaven where you was name it Lucifer or Samuel or what the fuck else. Happy birthday, Cerote, happy birthday. Guys, who don't know, in Guatemala, Cerote means something crazy like hello guy, hey dude, I don't know, I don't even understand either, but mira, marica, esto está para ti. Vamos a hacer esto. Okay guys, let's do this one. I put already here, in our ice shaker some of ice. Special guys, do you remember some Jaggers? The Jagger, it's normal, but look what I have here. I have the special Jagger from the hell. This means Jagger's Spicy. Jagger Spicy for you guys. Open bottles today. Happy birthday, Angel. 1 ounce directly into the shaker. Here we come. 1 ounce of Jagger. Ponemos ahí uno de Jagermeister. Jagermeister Spicy, guys, very nice one. I hope you enjoy it. We need to make this Devil Martini hot, and this is what we are going to use, some spicy stuff. If you hear me time and time speaking in Spanish, is because my friend from Guatemala also, in Guatemala they are speaking Spanish. So, okay, we have another bottle here, guys. You already know it. It's Inferno Patron Tequila. Inferno Patron Tequila is spicy chocolate, I don't know, a sweet of the chocolate, sweet spicy, something like that. It's Inferno, guys. It's very nice one, and we were going to use it. Okay, half ounce of this spicy Patron. Okay, here we go. Stuff. Here we go. My next ingredient is very strong. It's a strong one, and this is Brugal 151. Guys, this is a rum Brugal 151 who have it around 75.5 alcohol. I mean 75.5 fires. And why I use it Brugal? Of course, you can use it also Bacardi 151, but everybody uses Bacardi 151. So I see this one in the market. I wanted this a special occasion for Angel happy birthday. And we were going to test Brugal 151 Dominican Republic rum. Open bottles again. Okay, half an ounce of this strong and power 75 fires, guys. And this is nice. This is nice. What we're going to use next, it's a little bit of dark rum, and I will use Barcelo dark rum. Just a little bit, just for sweetness, more sweetness of how can I say, rum. I don't use 151 too much because it's too stronger, so I will put another half of ounce of Brugal dark rum. Now, what we're going to use next, it's the Martini Rojo Martini, or Rojo Red Martini, or I don't know, Martini Tinto, I don't know. This is the red vermouth. Guys, you can use it what you want. I use this one, and it's just also a half of ounce, just for flavor and to give it more. This one is made very good, very nice, and will be fantastic, of course. Now, what I can use it now, because already it's too stronger. Everything there inside is too much stronger there. So I will use 2 ounces of cranberry juice, and will become to finish this drink. Come on, 1 and 2. That's it. This is it, guys. Let's chill down our drink. Here we go. "12 seconds, like always." I think I forgot something. Yes, I forgot something. Not to put inside here. I forgot my strainer, but it's not too much stuff. It's just here. My strainer, and not ice, not nothing, guys, directly in the glass. And I use this glass not because I don't have the martini glasses. You, as always, you see my channel. I have a lot of glasses because it's a cup. It looks nice. I don't know. Come on. Here we go. Look the colors, guys. The Devil Martini. This is amazing drink. Already spicy, and it's treated until here. The spiciness smell. What can I say? Cerote. Espero que nos veamos pronto y feliz cumpleaños. Me gustaría de nuevo hacer contigo otra grande fiesta. Como tú sabes que lo hicimos en Panamá un año atrás. Happy birthday, Angela. I hope we will enjoy it again. Another party like we are making 1 year ago in Panama. Here we go. Happy birthday. Wow. Power, sweetness, coffee, no, chocolate. Jagermeister, spicy and hot, amazing, amazing drink. Feliz cumpleaños, happy birthday, Devil Martini. Enjoy it. The Devil Martini, guys. That was all. And until my next video, stay cool. We will continue with another 2 or 3 of the Halloween cocktails. So I hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Bye.
Bienvenidos a la carpeta de los vergazos.